Hey there everybody, my name is Nate and you're watching Volkswagen Classics. Rightio, in today's episode, we're just going to be working on the Beetle. Probably today, hopefully weld the back of the heater channel a bit more. We have been doing the front lately, but I think it's time to do the heater channels because that's what we started doing, so we'll just sort of finish that off there. I'll get up to ripping the chrome holes, sort of like this, the little things that go into there, out of the red door over there. And yeah, that's probably about it. We might touch this, but the main focus is the heater channels. So let's see how far we get with that.
You get a shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park in the meantime. South of the river, you stop and you hold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double four time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. Well, you step inside, but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, you hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places. Oh, but the horns, they're blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town. Check out Guitar George, he knows all the chords. But it's strictly rhythm, he doesn't wanna make it cry or sing. They said an old guitar is all he can afford. As he gets up on the lights and play his thing. And Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make a scene. He's got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play the honky tonk like anything. Saving it up for Friday night.
Alright, now after all of that work you just saw, we've welded a bit at the back here. I haven't done any welding myself personally today, but we've gotten a lot of that done. Still got to do there, work out what's going on here, because look, you can sort of see this gap. There, that's the best you can see. Did that down here, gave all that a grind. Pretty rough, but it's sort of hard to get in there with this in the way. But look at that. I'm really happy with most of that. Got this here joined up, got all that done. And yeah. And I got the little things out of this. I've started making a little piece to fill up the hole that was here. Probably won't get around to that today. But yeah, that's what's been going on. So you may be wondering why I'm stripping the headlight bucket to bare steel. And that is simply because I want to get a 7-inch sander soon, and I know when it comes time to do the guards, that sander is simply too big, so I'm giving it a go with the little disc on the drill.
When I'm far from home, don't call me on the phone to tell me you're alone. It's easy to deceive, it's easy to tease, but hard to get release. Eyes without a face, ooh, eyes without a face, eyes without a face, got no human grace, eyes without a face. I spend so much time believing all the lies to keep the dream alive.
Alright there. So let me talk about what I've just done. So I just finished welding and grinding for today on this. You can still see there's a bit to do here, like that not lining up. A few gaps there and in here, but the bonnet's closed. I just put a bit of primer on that off camera. This all looks pretty good, which is alright. At the back here, put some primer on the heater channels. Not too bad. But what I wanted to talk to you about was this. So, except for like there, some little bits there, and up there, I got all the paint off. I can't really get there because the wheel can't really fit in. But the problem I discovered was all this. Now I'm not saying we can't fix it. We could, because you've just seen us doing all this welding. But the problem is there's so much work in this guard. Like, we got to fix that, we got to fix that. You can see how rough it is back here. All of this is just like stuffed. You know, there's a kink here. We've still got to put the indicator holes in. And it's a bit annoying. Because like, the bonnet, the doors, the deck lid, they're going on the car. But all the guards are just so average. So I don't know. I don't know if we should look if there's any other ones that are in better condition, need less work, because, you know, there's just it's not something you're going to be spending that much time on. For a cheap guard, you can sort of just replace. But, yeah. But anyway, that's what we got up to in the video. Yeah. Alrighty. As I was just talking about if I should replace this guard or keep it, I remembered for the other side, I had this guard here. Now, the reason I didn't use that guard is because it was a 63. You can tell by the sort of outline of that and some other parts. But I was thinking, I reckon it's better than this one, because if you look at this, it's all rusted. You can see back here where this is pretty good, but there are some cracks there, down there, and there. So anyway, just before I finish up the video, I was just going to say I reckon I'll probably be using that. Still got to fill up that indicator hole and whatnot. Use that for this side, but I'll see if anything comes for sale for that, or the two back guards. I mean, I can work with it, but it's just a bit inconvenient, you know, for what it's worth. But yeah, so I think I'll be using that guard from now on. Let me know what you guys think, if it's a better choice. And yeah. Alright everybody, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
I've been